If your diarrhea looks like that, then you have to go to the vet. Disgusting, bro.
Hold on, man.
See, look, help him, help him. It's been a while since we've actually been in here.
Yeah, we had some life things happen and, you know, stuff that everybody that deals with on a daily.
Grown-up stuff.
So what we're gonna do today is work on Big Haulin.
Yeah!
We've already started a little bit by jacking her up and getting her ready for the job at hand today. What we're gonna do today is put the rear shackles on. We're gonna drop this back girl 2 inches in the back, get her centered even, put the new wheels on it. Ooh, ooh.
He's actually gonna head to AutoZone and get a ratchet or a wrench because for some reason we don't have the 21 that we need to get majority of every single bolt off.
We have every other wrench under the sun.
Right now, we're gonna do that real quick and I'll show you guys a little bit what's going on while he's out doing that. And when he's back, we should knock this out within 30 minutes, hopefully. It's not that bad. Okay guys, so while he goes and gets the wrench that we need to be able to do the drop knuckles on Big Haulin, something weird happened today. And it's kind of off topic, but still it's very strange. I'm freezing, it's freezing cold in here. And as you guys know, we've left winter and, well, we thought we left winter. Today it's like 36 degrees outside and it actually snowed today. I can't really find any snow anywhere. It snowed. And yeah, I mean, it's the middle of April. Why does it snow? I can't find any snow. There's no snow anymore, but it did snow. Don't think I'm crazy. That door's locked. It's the story and my phone's inside. Are you kidding me? Oh man, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I guess I'm just gonna have to wait for him to show up. I can't get out. I didn't know the door was closed. I had no idea. Well, I'm gonna try to find a way out and go from there. If you guys can't tell, I got out. I found a way out. My hands are freezing. I'm so glad I found a way to get out. I'm gonna go inside. Maybe I shouldn't tell him and just wait till he sees this video. But never doing that in my life again. Not going out that way. I'm good. I'd rather not get locked out. Not messing with this stupid ass door. You can stay closed. Unlocking you. Never going outside of you again.
Bro, never guess what happened.
What happened, bro? What'd you do?
You see that little gated area right there?
Oh yeah.
So I went out the door in here.
Okay.
And
it turns out that the top lock isn't the only one that can lock a door. So I was showing the people, I was showing them like, hey, I'm gonna show you what the crazy weather is like in this dreadful state.
It's spring and it snowed today.
yeah,
I mean,
and then what happened is I tried to go use the door and then it was locked.
Gotcha.
And I'm like, oh, well guys, I'm gonna try to find a way to get out.
So guys, that means he didn't drop the trailer hitch like I asked him to.
Because I need that. I need that.
For the trailer hitch?
Yeah.
Did you undo the bottom bolts on the other side?
No, but I need that to do it.
See what I'm saying?
I need that to do it. There's a nut on the other side, bro.
I can't. I get it.
Okay.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we decided that we were gonna move the truck into the different portion of the building because it's a lot brighter in here and we don't have to struggle with the lift. So,
we are actually at the point where we've got the lift down. It's very low, yes, it is not touching the ground, we promise, but it'll make it easier on this side to lift the leaf spring up.
For sure.
The entire axle area, diff, all that region.
Oh yeah.
And then just push the bolt out because that's the only difficult thing about this.
Correct. We gotta actually get the leaf up above the frame to be able to slide the boat out. So that's the hiccup we were having last time because the truck was actually sitting too high. I couldn't get enough leverage underneath the rear leaf spring to get it past the chassis to slide that boat out. So today, look how low it is, we shouldn't have that problem anymore. So we're gonna get in here, we're gonna knock it out, and let's see how low she goes. Hey!
We can roll the fenders. No.
Right. Kapoo!
You see those pieces right there? That's the old, there we go. The old lowering shackle. We had to get those two bolts, or those nuts off those bolts, and we're gonna take those out now. But to do that, we have to lift this, and that little piece of that little board's stuck in there. So we're gonna lift it. Once we lift it, we're gonna go ahead and pop those out.
Yep.
And then put them on, and then we should be done with that.
And we're also gonna grab the grease gun as well, so we can grease them up. So.
Oh yeah, I forgot these are exterior greasing, huh?
So you got the top bolt already out?
Yeah, top bolt's already out. Hey, look at those bushings in there. They don't bust it. They're busted and cracked. But good thing is we're gonna put this new one on. Hopefully it'll sit flush, but it will sit.
Got the old.
What is that, dude?
Got the old grease gun.
That, you know what that looks like? That reminds me of the vacuum cleaner from Teletubbies.
Boy, you know that's way after, way after me, son. Way after me.
Wait, I grew up on that, dude.
It's
I grew up on that, brother.
I ain't knocking it.
You didn't watch it?
It was after me.
How was that? Oh yeah, that was, no.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that was like when you were in high school, huh? Reco was sitting on the couch watching Teletubbies. Dude.
I think that was high school times, bro.
Oh, no way.
I think I was in high school when they came out, bro.
No way.
Yes, bro. Oh
For real. Dude, I'm so young compared to you. Let's actually put these. You and that song. That booty. That big old booty. Ooh, just a minute. No, cut it.
Come on, I think you need to cut it.
Oh, wait, hold on. What? Dude, stop.
I'm sorry. Get back to business.
So obviously in the beginning of the video, you saw that we had the exact same one. We put it on here. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fix the other side, put this on, and then
we're done with lowering shackles. We're gonna be done with them. It was a job and a half.
Oh,
it really was.
Understatement. So, guys, I will say this. The YouTube videos that we actually looked at to do this, because this is my first time doing this to a truck.
Right, same here. I mean, first time for me.
There was a lot of things that were missed. Like, for example, guys, you got to make sure that the vehicle is low enough so you can jack the leaf springs high enough above the chassis to actually get the bolt out. That's not really talked about too much on YouTube.
Nope.
But I'm gonna tell you right now, that is the biggest part of it, is to make sure that leaf is above the frame.
So if you look right there, that's the leaf spring, and that's where the lowering shackle actually goes onto right there. As you could see earlier in the video, we showed that this piece right here actually has to be higher than the chassis. What you can do is you can either put both sides, if you're changing both, put it on the diff and raise both of them up at the same time. But you know, like we said, that information was missed. So
I would recommend doing, if you're doing it on the ground like we are, I feel like this is the easiest way. So what I recommend doing is taking the wheel off, get a nice healthy jack stand. This is a 6-ton. So, you know, safety first. It's on part of the chassis. We're stable. The truck is not going anywhere, we're good. All right, so now we have the jack underneath the rear shackle, the shackle mounts for the leaves to actually hold it up. That's not probably politically correct, but it's
busted. You see how busted that is?
So, you know, and safety first, guys. Do not recommend doing this at home. We got a little experience with this. You know, at least we're working on vehicles in the first place. Right now we're gonna get this button back up, and we'll grease up these ends, and we're gonna be good to go.
So, I'm gonna admit that this time was a lot easier than last time. Big pro tip, if you do wanna do this to your truck, do it on the ground. It might seem very vice versa to most car things, but I'm telling you, the ground is gonna work in your favor because you have jacks, you have each side to lift up. As a first time for me at least, as a first time for both of us on doing the lowering shackles, do it on the ground. It's gonna make your life so much easier. I mean, at this point, it's time to
grease the old pins.
It's time to grease the pins that are on there. So on the rear of that, there's actually a pin to grease. It's what a lot of old school cars do. At least I've seen Vipers do that. Some of the old school Vipers have that. It's just so much easier.
The previous video from last, with the unboxing, we did show you guys the new wheels. So what we're thinking is we're actually gonna put the new wheels on today, and let's see how the car sits, see how the truck sits together with everything on it. And this is just the first job of many for Big Haulin. We've been talking about some things, and she's gonna be a monster.
He's laughing crazy, look at him.
We're gonna get this on, greased up. We're gonna go get the tires and wheels, and we're gonna show you putting them on.
Oh, he got doo-doo everywhere.
Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no.
You're making a mess, dude.
Thanks for helping me, bro.
What am I supposed to do? I don't have gloves on.
Facts.
Yeah, facts. I don't want doo-doo on my hands, bro.
Doo-doo, it's just grease, bro.
Doo-doo. It looks like doo-doo.
Lithium.
That looks like you messed yourself, bro. It looks like you had really explosive diarrhea.
Don't go chasing waterfalls.
What does that have to do with this? What does this have to do with Dookie, bro?
Like waterfalls coming out.
Come what?
Nothing, bro. Nothing.
No, say it. Come on, say it.
It's like the diarrhea flow, bro.
I don't know if your diarrhea looks like that, then you have to go to the
Facts. Go get medical attention right away.
You're gonna have to call the ambulance, bro.
I don't think that's supposed to be right, but you know. All right.
Dude, that's liquid, bro. Dude, I can't. What the fuck?
Oh, dude,
What is that, dude? That's disgusting, bro. Oh, dude, it looks like a worm.
It's like grease, man. Chill.
That's not grease. I'm sorry, but. Dude, that's disgusting, bro.
Come on, man.
See, look, help him.
I need a rag, man.
A lot of you guys probably don't understand is that it rains every time that we record.
It always rings. Dude, it literally always rings. Whenever we record.
Well, I mean, it is St. Louis. One thing about St. Louis, wait 10 minutes, the weather will change.
Yeah, it's gonna be snowing. Like earlier, it was snowing, and then now it's raining.
Right, exactly.
Dude, what? As you see, we got this fresh set of wheels in here.
Oh, we ain't talked to folks yet. We got more stuff to unbox. Here's short.
Yeah, we do.
Here's short. Yes, Sam.
So actually before when we did the unboxing, or no, the week before last, we had 2 parts. Last week was the second part. We actually have more parts to unbox that we didn't show you guys before. So we might do another mini unboxing. Hopefully he doesn't bring his milkshakes again.
My milkshake.
Stop! We don't want that. I mean, maybe some of you do. I'm not gonna judge, but I don't.
It's better than yours.
I don't want the milkshake. He might like it. You guys might like it. I don't know.
You know what the problem is, fella?
What's the problem?
I'm about to teach you and I'm gonna have to charge.
What does that even mean? What does that even mean?
It goes with the song, bro.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
I don't listen to that song. I'm sorry.
I mean, it's a little bit before your time, you know?
A little bit before my time. No.
Yeah.
You see what's funny?
It was a popular song. It was a really, very, very popular song on the radio for a good while.
Yeah.
Just saying.
Okay.
All right, so
Well,
back to it.
yeah, let's put the
back to
put the wheels on. Jeez.
Dude, that is a pretty.
Look at that, bro. Dude, that's pretty. I'm not gonna lie. That is pretty.
YouTube.
What is that? Anyways, go with it. We're already in script.
We got Big Haulin on the ground. We got the 2 back wheels on her. Check it out.
All right. Woo, she clean, bro. That looks so much better. The drop knuckle.
But look at the stance, bro. Look at the stance. Even. It's not feeling like old 60s hot ride anymore.
Look. Okay, so we got this side.
Yep.
And we got that side. It is literally sitting even.
Yes.
That is beautiful, dude.
Exactly.
This is a beautiful. Worth the time. Definitely worth the time.
Amazon special. I think it was $40, $30 for them. All right, full breakdown real quick. Tow hitch has to come off. There's 6 bolts on the tow hitch. It's 2 in the front and 3 on each side.
Right. I'm dumb.
So,
you good.
So you got 2 in the back here, right under the hitch, right here. And you got 3 on each side. You got to undo, and then you got to move that out of the way first. And then you have the 2 bolts on each shackles. What I would tell you guys is easier just to have a truck lower. And you gotta make sure you gotta take the leaves and go above the chassis. Once you do that, you get the top bolt out, you're good to go.
It's the only hard part.
That is the hard part.
Upper bolt out. I mean, like I said before,
Try your best to do this on the ground. Lifts are much harder. I mean, you just got to have that versatility of being able to put it on the ground.
You don't get the leverage with the lift.
Right,
That's
no
it.
leverage.
No leverage at all.
So, I think today was a good day. This
Great
was a beautiful project.
Yes.
It's finally over. I actually like working over here in this section of the building more. It's a little bit more space and more light. I'm not gonna lie.
It's brighter. But you know, we do it in old school on the back though versus on the lift too. But I don't mind it with situations like this. But guys, you can also get away with like having a transmission jack or engine jack to get you the leverage that you need.
Right.
We just didn't have one of those available, or just the old school turnstile when you can literally turn it and push up everything. So
It works as long as it lifts the truck. That's all that matters.
she's on the ground. Big Haulin is coming together, and we're out, folks.